Our theme says, let's put our trust in God. Many times we get weak because we trust people and the property. We trust them even beyond God. How many times have you cried because of trusting people? Flash back the time you got problems because of trusting people. For you to say, if someone is around, nothing can attack me.
Hallelujah.
Amen. Remember the time. The one you trust cannot help you. You cannot even communicate with him. There are some people about to solo, you can call them, but they cannot even receive. Now, whom do you trust? Many times the people we trust they disappoint and we get annoyed. We lose hope. We cried at the Lord asking, why did someone disappoint me? Is this he has disappointed you because you trusted man? For me, my landlord chased me out of the house. He was demanding me for 2 months. But he told me to move out of his house because I see you not manage to pay that date and it will grow. My landlord could speak calmly, but he was serious. What came into my mind it was to call my husband. My trust was in my husband. I called him. I told him, my landlord told me to move out of his house. He told me, he did not call. He did not help me. So brethren, many times we trust the Son of Man. But let our hope be in the Lord. He's the only one to help us. Only God has the answer towards what we want. Someone may lack your time, but God is omnipresent. There are sometimes you get a problem, but your friend may not help you. Let's put our